This is the BLZ griddle. It's available as a built-in or on cart. This griddle fits in seamlessly with any outdoor kitchen setup. You can make it the centerpiece of your outdoor cooking experience, or pair it with a BLZ grill for a very versatile outdoor kitchen. The BLZ griddle is made of durable 304 stainless steel. The cooking area measures 18 inches deep by 27.5 inches wide. The griddle surface is made of thick stainless steel for excellent heat distribution and retention. It easily cooks pancakes, bacon, and eggs across the entire surface for an amazing breakfast. Or turn up the heat for searing steak with incredible all-over crust. What's great about cooking on a griddle is the whole surface of the food you're cooking gets caramelized. I seared all sides of these New York strips and they turned out delicious. The BLZ griddle features two 304 stainless steel U-shaped burners that each deliver 18,000 BTUs of cooking power for a total of 36,000 BTUs. The burners are lit with push and turn flamethrower ignition, and backup ignition is covered with two flash tubes on the front of the griddle. For easy cleanup, the grease tray features a drain hole to direct debris and grease to the full width drip pan beneath the griddle. Another nice feature of BLZ's griddle is the stainless steel lid, which is perfect for keeping the griddle surface clean when not in use. Freestanding griddles on the deluxe cart feature two spacious side shelves, each with condiment racks on the front. The left shelf has a built-in cutting board that is removable for easy cleaning. The griddle cart features two storage drawers, and the bottom drawer is designed to keep your prepared food cold. The drawer is insulated, making it perfect for putting ice beneath the removable food trays. The base of the ice drawer even features a drain for easy water removal. The right side of the cart features a propane storage compartment. Now we'll perform the XRF test on BLZ's griddle. The cooking surface, control panel, drip pan, firebox, and burners all tested to be 304 stainless steel.